Ever wonder why some YouTube channels go viral while others get stuck at 10 views? Like this one.
Things that just make sense in Japan. If you're looking for a place to try some Japanese barbecue but don't have anyone to go with, don't worry, I've got just the place.
Versus this one. They make the same type of content, but the statistics are drastically different. The secret isn't just about luck, it's strategy. Today, I'll break down 9 essential tips to help you master YouTube and some bonus tips to take it even further. Stick around, and by the end, you'll have everything you need to crush it on the platform. Your first few seconds are the most important. People decide instantly if they'll keep watching. You only have 3 to 5 seconds to hook your audiences in. That's one of the most important parts in your videos, so give it a lot of attention. Start with something bold like a jaw-dropping fact, an intriguing question, or a surprising statement. Like these shorts, for example.
I might have just wasted $100 on this keyboard. Well, $135.
I found an iPhone 13 on my dive today.
I'm sorry, but at 39 years old, this should not be possible.
They always start with something that would hook the viewers in right away. Learn from them and apply it into your own content. Who's watching your videos? Are they students, busy professionals, or aspiring creators? Tailor your content to their needs and interests. Use tools like Google Trends to discover what they're searching for and give them exactly that. Or you can simply ask them what they want to learn or know about. When your content speaks directly to them, they'll keep coming back. Think of your thumbnail as your video's first impression. Make it simple, bold, and visually striking. Big text, high contrast, and a pop of emotion can make the difference between a click and a scroll. You have a wide range of applications to create your thumbnails on, from Canva to Photoshop. I highly recommend Canva because it's free and very easy to work on. Pro tip: test different styles to see what works best in your niche. You can watch my video about making thumbnails for shorts to make it even better. Check out the link in the description. Trends are like waves, ride them while they're hot. Whether it's viral challenges, popular sounds, or breaking news, find a way to make them relevant to your niche. It's an instant boost if you do it right. Google Trends or Playboard can help you tap into today's trends with ease. Spend some time to do a quick research and choose what is suitable for you. Stories aren't just for movies, they work wonders on YouTube too. Share relatable experiences, struggles, or funny moments, and structure them like a mini-movie. Start with a hook, build tension, and end with a satisfying resolution. Storytelling keeps viewers emotionally invested. Plus, YouTube just extended the length of shorts up to 3 minutes. Now you have even more time to build up and tell your story. No one has time for fluff. Keep your editing snappy and dynamic. Use jump cuts, text overlays, and music to keep the pace lively. Tools like CapCut and Adobe Premiere Pro make pro-level editing accessible even if you're just starting out. I already have a video about CapCut editing tips. If you want to learn more about how to make your videos faster with CapCut, I'll leave the link in the description for you to watch. Did you know over 80% of viewers watch videos on mute? Adding captions not only boosts accessibility, but also helps viewers follow along when they can't turn up the volume. Just imagine you're watching a movie without sounds or subtitles. You can't understand the context of it, which makes you feel detached from the content you're watching. The same can apply to shorts. Captions can make a huge impact to boost your audience's attention throughout the whole video. Want to build a loyal audience? Talk to them, ask questions, respond to comments, and invite them to share their thoughts. For example, what's the biggest challenge you've faced on YouTube? Let me know in the comments. It's not just about the algorithm, it's about creating community. Want viewers to subscribe? Tell them to. Simple, right? But be strategic, tie it to the value you're offering. It's similar to encouraging engagement, but with this, you're asking them to do it. And by letting them know what they'll receive for doing what you ask, it's almost certain that they will do it if they find your contents resonate with them. Now, as promised, here are 3 bonus tips to take your channel to the next level. Don't just reply to comments, start conversations, run polls, ask for video ideas, or even highlight top comments in your videos. This creates a deeper connection with your viewers. Collabs are a game changer. Partner with creators in your niche to cross-promote each other's channels. It's a win-win that exposes you to new audiences and keeps your content fresh. Remember, success takes time. Don't give up after a few uploads. Keep learning, refining your craft, and staying consistent. You never know which video will be your breakthrough. All right, let's wrap it up. Mastering YouTube takes work, but these 9 tips will give you a head start. Remember to nail your hook, know your audience, and keep things visually engaging. And let's not forget about staying consistent and always learning. Those are your secret weapons for long-term success. Now it's time for you to take action. Which tip are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments and let's chat. And if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insider advice. See you in the next one.